So the Hero 11, it's been 3 months. Do I love it that much more than the 10 or the 9? And after using this a lot, I can easily say...
Mr. Black.
Yes, it is that much better. And I'll tell you why. Oh, and sorry about the thumbnail. You clicked on it because you wanted me to hate it. And I just noticed that so many YouTubers have negative thumbnails to get clicks. And when I watch their videos, they're actually raving about the Hero 11, or they actually do hate it. But the real reason why is because they don't know how to use it properly. And by the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you are new here and you like this kind of stuff, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. Also, if you can click that one, that was very helpful to my channel. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus some really good coupon codes to GoPro accessories and a surprise link. So the Hero 11, this thing is amazing. Actually, right now, this is the Hero 10. It just looks the same from the front. I'm actually shooting with the Hero 11 right now with the Wind Slayer. That's all. So that's exactly what you're looking at right now. That's exactly what you're listening to right now. And there are a lot of ways to adjust and make your GoPro picture look amazing. So stay tuned to the channel because I will provide weekly GoPro videos and tutorials, because I know that these things don't come with a comprehensive manual, so it could be intimidating to a lot of new GoPro users out there. If you have a Hero 10 and you're like, should I upgrade? Well, I'd actually say no. I mean, the Hero 10 is great. It's still fantastic. Wait. So yeah, I'm filming with the Hero 10 right now, and it looks great. This is wide angle, 5.3K. I mean, it looks great. So if you have the Hero 10, I think you could wait till the Hero 12 or 13 to upgrade. But maybe you're someone that just likes new gadgets and likes to play around with new GoPros. I can understand why you'd want to get the Hero 11, because you have a lot of new features. Hold on. But I love the Hero 11. It's just an easy camera to grab and start recording. The color looks better, and I do like the hyper view angle because you can get some really eye-catching footage. I know for some people it can make you a little bit seasick, so you just gotta use it at the right time. The stabilization on the Hero 11 is unmatched, and in fact, you can have horizon leveling up to 4K. And with that bigger sensor, it does a little bit better in low light. Not amazing, but with low lighting, it always depends on what settings you put in to your camera. And I'll make a video of those low light settings soon on this channel, so stay tuned for that. The full frame 8x7 thing, I love it. I'm using it right now, in fact. It's really good because it captures everything full frame, and then when you're editing it later, you can actually fix it a little bit if it needs a little bit more headroom, or you can move the shot and scroll it down in post. So I guess a big part of the Hero 11 is the fact that you can do a lot more with it post-editing. So if you want to take your footage and edit it further on, this is a great camera for that. The only thing that I haven't tried yet on this camera is star trails and light painting, but I'll get to that very soon. The menu also seems a lot faster and responsive. The battery life, I've always had a bunch of extra batteries with my GoPro, but the Enduro battery that comes with it, it does a really good job, and I rarely have to change them out. Now, people are always gonna go after the overheating thing, and maybe I kind of contributed to that with my testing of it, but I was trying to make it overheat. That was the point of it, was to see with the highest settings when it would overheat. But for people that are having overheating issues, you're just not using your GoPro correctly. In fact, I've been actually recording this video for now 11 minutes. You can see right there, 11 minutes, boom. And I've had no problems with overheating or anything like that. And the Wind Slayer's on. It is 90 degrees out here in the Australian sun in the middle of summer. So yeah, it's a great GoPro. I love it. To me, someone who dives into these quite often, they just keep getting better. And I don't say that to suck up to GoPro. In fact, I doubt they're even watching this video right now unless I got them with the thumbnail. But I just say this as a person that uses the GoPro, and it works great. I'm happy with it. It's awesome. So that's it for this video, GoPro 3 months later. If you are new to the GoPro thing, make sure you do check out my Hero 11 accessories video. You can check it out right there. Other than that, well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Can we call you Uncle Blanky?